Hey guys, John Vidine with Dent Reaper here, and today I'm very excited to show you a new line from Dent Reaper, and we are calling these the Reaper Picks. And very similar to the Reaper rods, the geometry on the swoop and the kick here has been scaled down and basically the same as the mini Reaper rods as you see here. And just to give you a comparison, this is the original Reaper rod, and as you can see, much shorter kick on this, and that is for access, of course. And sometimes you need more kick and sometimes you need less kick. So with the picks, you get a little bit less kick, but you get a ton of versatility. Just like the original Reaper rods, we've got the nice soft swoop here, great for dragging, side loading, all of that. Able to get some really nice soft pushes through there. And then of course, the signature sharp tip, great for aluminum or high strength steel. And these are really a thing of beauty. Just got these from A1, and these have the stainless hub from Anson, and they pair perfectly with the any of the tactical handles, especially this inline handle here. Kind of the point of designing a pick tool. When I saw this inline handle coming out, I knew I had to do a pick. So it'll work with that. It'll work great with the T-handle version as well, which can be a flag or a T, of course. And I'm just gonna quickly change that over to a T. And when you got the T-handle, you're able to do all of the side loading, or able to get full control there. So whether it is a pick or a T-handle, these things are going to be great. They're going to come in 4 lengths. We've got 18 inches and 24 inches. Those are both 3/8 in diameter. Absolutely no flex to these things. And then go up to 33 inches. And this is a 7/16 diameter. Again, no flex on this thing. And then 42 inches. This is going to be great for roofs, bedsides, quarters, all of that. And that's a 1/2 inch diameter. And the shave on these slightly different than the original Reaper rods, as well as the shave will actually end just past that swoop. So plenty beefy on these, and you're going to have no flex and tons of versatility. Really happy with the way these came out, and I hope you guys love them just as much as I do. So head on over to dentreaper.com and get yourself a set today. Thanks so much. Keep pushing.